Choosing the right DTF printer isn't enough. Don't overlook these essential consumables. When choosing a DTF printer, most people focus on the hardware. Print speed, resolution, number of print heads, and overall build quality. But here's what often gets overlooked: the supplies. From ink and hot melt powder to transfer film, these consumables play a critical role in your print output. In fact, without the right supplies, even the best machine can underperform, leading to poor wash resistance, clogged print heads, and costly downtime. DTF ink, more than just color. DTF ink is a water-based pigment ink designed to resist light, moisture, and oxidation, crucial for long-lasting prints on garments. High-quality DTF ink delivers non-clogging performance even after 24 hours of downtime. Better ink efficiency, enabling up to 10 to 20% more printable area. Vivid color accuracy and real-world design restoration. Sharp image edges with cleaner powder adhesion. Soft touch results and excellent wash durability. Particularly, white ink is notoriously prone to sedimentation due to titanium dioxide. But newer innovations, like Sublistar's non-precipitating white ink, solve this problem, with no need for stirring, filtering, or ink circulation devices. DTF hot melt powder, the hidden driver of durability. Hot melt powder may not be eye-catching in DTF printing, but it plays a crucial role in determining the durability and feel of the final print. High-grade TPU powder provides excellent elasticity and stretch resistance. Cleaner powder handling and non-sticky edges. Sharp detail reproduction, scratch resistance, and vibrant color lock. Compared to regular polyester powders, TPU melts at lower temperatures and offers a softer, more resilient finish. DTF PET film, precision, personality, and performance. The final step of DTF printing is heat transferring the design using a transfer film. The quality of the film directly affects the clarity of the image, the cleanliness of powder release, and whether the print is prone to cracking. Top-grade PET film features: even coating, strong ink absorption, and anti-slip surface. Smooth powder shaking, clean release, and no ghosting. High wash resistance, elasticity, and non-cracking finish. Meanwhile, special effect films like luminous, reflective, temperature change, and metallic films offer added value and unique visual impact. In 2025, expect a broader range of premium metallic films, from gold and silver to interstellar silver, to meet growing customization trends. Choosing the right DTF printer is only half the story. To truly achieve consistent print quality, production stability, and satisfied customers, your DTF supplies, ink, powder, and transfer film must meet equally high standards. At Sublistar, we take pride in delivering professional-grade consumables that are optimized for DTF performance. From our anti-clogging, high-purity white ink, to eco-friendly TPU hot melt powder, and a wide range of transfer films with vivid color fidelity, every product is tested to ensure sharp image edges, true color reproduction, smooth powder handling, and long-term durability. If you care about output quality as much as speed, it's time to look beyond the printer and start choosing the right DTF ecosystem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more DTF printing insights and pro tips.